Everyone in the family should get required amount of nutrients to avoid nutrient deficiency diseases. It's really very important to plan family nutrition in a way to prevent diet related chronic disorders. Old age peoples are the backbones of family. So it's important to take care of their health to increase their life expectancy. Watching this video till the end will make you understand how to achieve the goal of healthy family. Hello friends, welcome to NutraLife. I am Dr. Seema. I make videos related to food and nutrition. Today I am going to share some guidelines to achieve optimal nutrition of family members. If you still have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest updates from NutraLife. It's very important to maintain state of positive health, ideal body weight for better performance of family members. Proper nutrition should be given to the pregnant woman and lactating mothers. It's very important to ensure adequate dietary care of infants, adolescents and children to achieve their good development. Eat variety of foods to ensure a balanced diet. Variety in food is not only the spice of life but also the essence of nutrition and health. A diet consisting of foods from several food groups provides all the required nutrients in proper amounts. Cereals, millets and pulses are major sources of most of the nutrients. Milk, which provides good quality proteins and calcium, must be an essential item of the diet, particularly for infants, children, and women. Oils and nuts are calorie-rich foods and are useful for increasing the energy density and quality of food. Inclusion of eggs, flesh food, fish enhances the quality of diet. However, vegetarians can derive almost all the nutrients from diets consisting of cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits and milk-based diets. Vegetables and fruits provide protective substances such as vitamins, minerals and phytonutrients. Diversified diets with wide variety of foods provide necessary nutrients. Provide extra food and health care to pregnant women and lactating women. Pregnancy is physiologically and nutritionally a highly demanding period. Extra food is required to meet the requirements of the fetus. A lactating mother requires extra food to secrete adequate quantity of milk and to safeguard her own health. Do exclusive breastfeeding for 6 months and encourage breastfeeding till 2 years or more if possible. Breast milk is the most natural and perfect food for normal growth and healthy development of infants. Colostrum is rich in nutrients and anti-infective factor and should be fed to infant. Breastfeeding reduces the risk of infections. It's very important to feed home-based semi-solid foods to the infant after 6 months. Breast milk alone is not adequate for the infant beyond 6 months of age. Introduction of food supplement along with breastfeeding is necessary for infants after 6 months of age. Providing adequate and appropriate diets for children and adolescents both in health and sickness is very important. A nutritionally adequate and balanced diet is essential for optimal growth and development. Common infections and malnutrition contribute significantly to child morbidity and mortality. A child needs to eat more during and after episodes of infection to maintain good nutritional status. All family members should eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Normal diet to be wholesome and tasty should include fresh fruits and vegetables, which are storehouses of micronutrients. Fruits and vegetables also provide phytonutrients and fibers, which are of vital health significance. They help to prevent micronutrient malnutrition and certain chronic diseases such as cardiovascular disease, cataract, and cancer. Practice moderate use of edible oils and animal foods and very less use of ghee, butter and vanaspati. Excessive use of plant and animal-based fat leads to elevation of blood lipids and thereby increasing the risk of heart disease and other illnesses. Avoid overeating to prevent overweight and obesity. Overweight and obesity is the causative factor for several chronic and non-communicable diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancers. Make a habit of exercise regularly and be physically active to maintain ideal body weight. Physical activity is essential to maintain ideal body weight by burning excess calories and is of vital significance for health and prevention of non-communicable diseases. Try to restrict the salt intake to minimum. Increased salt intake may pose health risk and may lead to hypertension and heart disease. It's very important to use safe and clean foods. Contaminated and adulterated foods are major causes of several foodborne illnesses. Safe and good quality foods are essential for maintaining good health. Consumption of unsafe food can lead to foodborne diseases. It's necessary to adopt right pre-cooking processes and appropriate cooking practices. Healthy and positive food concepts and cooking practices are foundation for good health. Drink plenty of water and take beverages in the moderation. Water is the most important nutrient of all and helps to maintain good health. Try to minimize the use of processed foods rich in salt, sugar, and fats. Processed foods being rich in fat, salt, sugar, and preservatives may pose a health risk if consumed regularly. Include micronutrient rich foods in the diets of elderly people to enable them to be fit and active. Body composition changes with advancing age, and these changes affect nutritional need of elderly. Elderly or aged people require reduced amount of calories as their lean muscle mass and physical activity decreases with aging. Elderly need more calcium, iron, zinc, vitamin A and antioxidants to prevent age-related degenerative diseases and for healthy aging. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, leave your comment. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates from Nutralife. See you next week. Bye.